All right, we're back out of the motor vehicle. And the motor vehicle says, these are the things that you have to give up. She wrote it all down in the yellow to get tags, which is your paperwork, which is secured under the Constitution of the United States. To get a license, you have to give up your paperwork. I don't understand why people don't understand that. And your paperwork are secured under the Constitution of the United States. So these people just don't get it for some reason. This motor vehicle agency, or whatever they call it, is an extortion along with the government of trying to go circumvent citizens giving up their constitutional rights to be secured. The young lady said, so as I asked her, so you're saying I have to bring in my documentation to obtain your tags, which I have to pay for? Now, mind you, if I pay for it, it's mine. Am I correct? If you pay for a loaf of bread, you have a right to do whatever you want to with that loaf of bread, right? The same thing with these driver's license, IDs. You have to bring in documentation which is secured by the Constitution of the United States, the supreme law. But this is another way that the government is getting your personal information. Now we're going to go down to the county executive, because this young lady and the laws, what I just got, is to obtain a tag from the motor vehicle, you have to give up your personal information, which is secured under the supreme law. Okay? And the thing about it is this: once you give currency for those tags, they're yours. They're not the DMV's anymore. Now, they say, oh, you got to turn them back in. I pay for these. If I choose to spray paint them, do whatever I want to do with them, they're mine. I paid for them. You took currency for them. Same thing with these IDs, driver's license. It's mine. You took currency, and I don't have to turn them back in. And then the government cannot put stipulations or restrictions on something you pay for. And that's what they've been doing with these tags, these licenses, the roads. They are saying, after you pay for it, you got to do it this way. Get the fuck out of here. That's just like going into Walmart and you buy a TV out of Walmart. Once the cashier takes the money for that TV, it's yours. And if you choose to, you can take it out into the parking lot, throw it up in the air, and tear it up. It's yours. And ain't shit Walmart can do about it. The same thing with these tags, your driver's license, and these public roads. It's yours. Now, if you go out and tear up the public road, it belongs to everybody who pays taxes. So you can't go out there and tear that up. But if you choose to tear your car up, the tag the driver's license, it's yours. All they want is that information, which is secured under the supreme law. If this was legitimate, if they just wanted to put tags on people's vehicles, they would only take the vehicle and your name. But why do you have to give up a birth certificate? You're not being born with this car. You're not being born with this tag. That tag should only have the information of the car and who the owner is. That's it. Why do I got to give up all this other information? Why? Because government is circumventing the supreme law by doing so. Stay tuned. We're going down to the county executive office now and make it very clear to him. He had the letter that I sent there explaining to him if they sell my property, they're responsible for it, because I saw it in the jacket. So now I'm going to go down here and see if the people in the county executive will entertain me, or are they mad and won't have a conversation with the taxpayer in their county. Stay tuned.